Hi friends, you must be aware that Python is the most sought for programming language these days. If you want to learn one programming language that can give you a good job if you are a fresher or better job opportunities if you are a working professional, you can go ahead with Python. Be it machine learning, artificial intelligence, Python is used everywhere. You go and ask any data scientist which coding language you should learn to become one, they'll advise you for Python. Python is very easy to learn but a very powerful programming language. So let's begin. What is Python? There are few basic things that you should understand about Python before we learn how to code. Python is a general purpose, high-level interpreted and dynamically typed programming language. You must have heard these technical jargons a lot, but what do these terms mean? Python is a general purpose language, which means it is designed to be used for developing applications in various domains without being restricted to a particular domain. You can say Python is not a domain-specific language. A high-level programming language is that language in which programs are platform-independent. These are called high-level language because syntax of these languages is closer to human language or natural language unlike machine languages. Python is interpreted language because in Python, program scripts are saved and executed in the same format in which you create the script, unlike compiled languages where the code is first translated to a set of machine-specific instructions and then saved as executable file. Python is a dynamically typed language because in Python interpreter automatically binds type of data to its variable, or you can say Python parser automatically identifies the type of variable on the basis of what kind of data you have assigned to the variable, which means you don't need to declare type of variable while declaring a variable. Now that we have understood basic concepts of Python, you may have in mind why shall I pursue Python and why not other languages. So here are few points which makes Python a matter of choice for many developers. Let us understand them one by one. Python is very easy to understand, though it's a very powerful language. Syntax of Python can be easily understood by the beginners. Not just easy to read and write, Python is free and open source. The source code of Python is available for public to download, modify and distribute. This is one of the reasons Python is continuously evolving over the years. Python is more than 2-decade-old language, still it is the top most rated language of 21st century. Most sought for language by the developers. The code syntax in Python is not only easy but also very light in size. It is also a reason developers prefer Python. Many complex logic can be easily handled in Python because of some of its very popular modules. Python is the first choice of machine learning engineers as well as data scientists. Many of its inbuilt libraries have reduced data analysis and visualization effort of data scientists and machine learning engineers. Python also have a huge community base globally, which means if you're stuck somewhere, there are so many online portals which can help you out. This is also a reason of Python becoming a very popular language. As mentioned already, Python provides you a plethora of career opportunities. It is because there are a lot of applications which are built in Python, and as digital transformation is taking place rapidly in IT industry, desire of maximum automation will lead to more requirement of artificial intelligence engineer, machine learning professionals, data scientists, which will eventually increase the demand of Python professionals. Now that we talked about why Python is first choice of developers, let us understand various features of Python. Python follows object-oriented programming paradigm, which means programs in Python can be grouped and bundled into individual objects, which can be used separately at any other place during programming without the need of writing same logic again. Now that is just one of the advantages of object-oriented programming language. Python is also a cross-platform language, that is, a Python program can run equally on different platforms such as Windows, Linux, Macintosh, etc. So we can say Python is platform independent or portable language. Python enjoys an amazingly large and rich collection of libraries which are cross-platform compatible. This provides Python developers a lot of flexibility to write complex code in no time. Python code is also compatible with other languages. Python code can be easily integrated with other languages like C, C++, Java, R, etc. Python is interpreted language, that is, the interpreter executes the code line by line at a time. This makes debugging easy and thus suitable for beginners. Python is a high-level language because programs written on Python are platform or machine independent. For example, a Python script written on Windows machine can be easily executed on Linux or Macintosh without any problem. Friends, this is all about theoretical concepts of Python. Now without any wait, we'll start learning technical concepts of Python using live coding from next tutorial. Stay connected. If you have not subscribed the channel, please do it right now so that you won't miss any other new tutorial.